Hello, today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to navigate Instagram on the web. So, the first thing we will need to do is open up the internet browser of our choice. Because I'm using a Mac computer, I will be opening up Safari. Once our web browser is opened, we need to navigate to the Instagram website. The URL to access Instagram is www.instagram.com, which I will type into the top bar here. Once we have successfully navigated to the Instagram website, we have a few different options. If you've already created a Facebook account, you can choose to use that account to log into Instagram. But if you do not already have a Facebook account, you can choose to create a new account by clicking the Sign Up button near the bottom of the web page. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to create a new account. So once we have clicked the Sign Up button, we'll be directed to this page here. In order to create a new account, you will need to either enter your mobile number or your email address, as well as your full name, an anonymous username of your choice, and a secret password. The information that you enter on this website is kept in a secure, encrypted database, so don't worry about the information being stolen. It is safe. Once you've entered your details into this field here, you can click the Sign Up button. Then you will need to enter your birthday. Once you've finished filling out your birthday, you'll need to enter a confirmation code which is sent to your email address. Within your email, you should see something that looks like this. If you click on the email, you will see a 6-digit number which you'll need to copy and then paste into this field here. Then you can click Next. Once you finish creating your account, you will end up on a screen like this. Now let's review what each button does and some of the functionalities of Instagram. Let's start by personalizing our account. To do this, we can click the head-shaped icon in the top right corner and then click on the button that says Profile. This is our account page. From here, we can create posts as well as customize our profile. Let's start by adding a profile picture so that people can know who we are. First, click the Edit Profile button next to your name. This brings us to your account page, where you can manage your account information, including things such as your username, personal biography, profile picture, and account privacy. To add a profile picture, we can click the Change Profile Photo button underneath our name. This opens up our computer's file explorer, where you can select an image to upload. My profile photo is located within the Pictures folder and is called myprofilepicture.jpg. So I will select that image and then click Upload. Now that we have a profile photo, people can have a better idea of who we are. And in order to give them a bit more information, we can add some text to our bio. This bio serves as a way for people to gain information about you and can contain anything from your favorite saying, the school you went to, your favorite grandchild, or whatever else you desire. If you would rather leave it blank, you can also do that. I'll add a simple phrase that I find amusing. In order to save these changes, at the bottom here we have to click Submit. And then you will see it says Profile Saved. And now that we have some information on our profile, we should talk quickly about privacy. To manage your account's privacy settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security tab located near the bottom of the menu on the left-hand side. On this page, you can choose whether or not you would like your account to be private. A private account means that only people who you approve to follow you will be able to view things such as your photos and videos. It is important to note that if your account is private, people can still see your profile picture, account name, and your bio. As well as setting your account to private, there are a lot of other important settings in here that are slightly out of scope for this tutorial. However, I do recommend that you read through and choose the settings that you feel most comfortable with. Now that we have our privacy settings sorted out, let's learn how to connect with our friends and family. At the top of our screen, there is a search bar. We can use the search bar to search for family members or other accounts that we want to see content from. If you're following along at home, I recommend taking a second to reach out to close family members or friends and ask them if they have an Instagram account. If they say yes, ask them for their username and search for it using the search bar. As an example, we can search for our good friend Logan. His Instagram username is Logan Parker with 4 R's at the end, so we will type that into the search bar. Once his profile picture appears, you can click on it in order to view his profile. Since his account is private, we will have to request to follow him. We can do this by clicking the Follow button. Because his account is private, we will have to wait until he approves the follow request. But once he does, we will be able to view his pictures as well as see him in our home feed. Now that Logan has approved our follow request, we can see all the photos that he has posted. In order to get a closer look at a photo, as well as to leave a like or a comment on a photo, we can click on any of the ones that appear in this grid. Let's click on the most recent post. Here, you can leave a like using the heart button, and you can leave a comment using the comment button. Then, if you'd like to leave this comment, you can click post. If you'd like to go back to the profile page, you need to click up to the top right corner and click close. The beautiful thing about Instagram is that there are all sorts of accounts. You can discover new accounts to follow by clicking the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of your screen. This takes us to the Explore page. From here, you can choose to search for specific accounts or view posts from accounts that Instagram thinks you might like. Because we are not following very many accounts, the recommendations that Instagram gives us will not be very good. But since there are so many different types of people on Instagram, if you like something, you can search for it and you're almost certain to find it. Instagram uses a feature called hashtags, which is a fancy word for the number sign. Different hashtags represent different topics, and you can follow the hashtags that you're interested in. When you follow a hashtag that interests you, posts that are tagged with that hashtag will start to appear in your home feed alongside the posts of people that you have followed. So in order to see this in action, let's search the hashtag space in the search bar. Then we'll click the first result. I'm going to follow the space hashtag, and since I like NASA, I'm going to go back to the Explore page and search for NASA as well. Since NASA has a public Instagram account, we can view their posts right away without following. We can also follow NASA, and we will be able to view everything. Now that we've started to follow a few things that we're interested in, let's see what our homepage looks like. In order to navigate to our homepage, we can either click the Instagram logo in the top left, or on the leftmost bar of icons, we can click the icon that looks like a house, and that will navigate us to our homepage. The homepage serves as a place where you can see the newest images that people you follow have posted. However, the homepage only shows recent posts, and because we're not following very many people, there's only one post to view. When a post appears in your homepage, you can click the heart icon to like the post, the comment icon to comment on the post, the arrow icon to send that post to a friend, or the farthest right icon, the bookmark icon, in order to save the post for later. Additionally, you can either hover over or click on the name of the person who created the post in order to go back to view their account, or to unfollow the account if you do not want to view more posts by this person. Now that we know a little bit more about posts and about our home feed, let's go ahead and create our first post. To create posts, we need to click the plus icon, which is the icon directly to the left of the search icon. Upon clicking that button, Instagram will prompt you to upload a photo from your computer. To do so, click the Select from Computer button, and then find where your photo is located. My photo is located within the Pictures folder and is called myfirstpost.jpg. I'm going to click on that image and click Upload. Once you click Upload, you'll be taken to this screen where you are able to adjust the cropping of the photo by clicking and dragging the photo. You can also adjust the zoom of the photo by clicking the magnifying glass in the bottom left corner and then adjusting the slider. If you would like to try to fit the whole photo in the frame, you can click the two arrows in this bottom left corner and it will try to fit to Instagram's cropping. There are still some times where it will not be able to fit due to the aspect ratio of the photo, but I do find that this helps fit most of the photo in. Once you're done with these fine-tuned cropping adjustments, you can click Next. Then, Instagram will allow you to apply different filters to adjust the style of your image. I like the way this photo is, so I'm not going to apply any of these filters, but I do recommend that you play with them to find what you like best. You can also do fine-tune adjustments by navigating to the Adjustments tab on the right. Here, you can play with these sliders to adjust things like the brightness, contrast, and saturation of the image. Again, I'm not going to touch these because I like the way the image is personally, but I do recommend that you play with them to find what you like best. Once you're done with these fine-tune adjustments, you can click Next. The final screen Instagram will prompt you with is the captioning screen. Here, you can put a description of the image that you're posting, and you can also add the location of the image, or if there's someone in the image that you would like to tag, you can click on them on the image, and then search for their Instagram name. Since there's nobody in this photo, I will not be tagging them. Once you've finished writing your caption, you can go ahead and click Share. Congratulations, you've made your first post. As you can see, once you've posted an image, it will appear at the top of your homepage. This is also where it will appear for others that are following you. Speaking of people following us, it looks like we have a new notification. You can tell you have a notification because there will be a red dot underneath the heart icon. In order to view what that notification is, we need to click on the heart. In here, we can see that we have a new follow request from our good friend Logan. Follow requests only appear when we are a private account, and in order to approve the follow request or deny it, you need to click on that, and then you can either confirm or delete it. Since we know Logan, we will confirm his follow request. Then, if we click the notification again, we can see that Logan Parker has started to follow us. This notification is what would appear if your account was not private and somebody followed you. There are also other types of notifications, such as notifications when somebody likes a photo that you've posted or when somebody comments on a photo that you've posted. Clicking on either of these notifications will navigate you to the photo page, and you can reply to comments here by clicking the reply button. The final feature that we will be looking at is messaging. Instagram has a built-in direct messaging feature, which can be used to have conversations with the people that you are following. The direct messaging feature is a powerful tool as it allows you to send posts or other messages directly to your friends. So let's see an example of this in action. I'm going to send the post that we just made to our good friend Logan in order to see what he thinks. To do this, I'm going to click on the share button, which is shaped as an arrow and is located directly to the right of the comment button. When you click on this icon, the share window will pop up, and from here, we can enter Logan's username into the To field, and then select him from the list of users that pops up. It is important to note that you can also add multiple recipients and even create a group chat if you would like, simply by typing in additional usernames. When sending a post to someone, you can also add additional text to your message in order to give the post some extra content. When you are ready to send your message, simply click Send. While we wait for Logan to respond, let's talk a little bit about how to find your messages. In order to view your messaging history on Instagram, you have to click on the button directly to the right of the Home button, which looks like a little speech bubble with a lightning bolt inside it. When you receive a new message, a red dot will appear on the messaging icon with a number indicating how many unread messages you have. So, let's click on the messaging icon to view our new message. This is our conversation history page. Here, you are able to view an entire list of your conversations with people, and in order to view a specific conversation, all you need to do is click on the name of the conversation that you wish to view. As we can see, Logan has sent us a new message, so let's click on his conversation to view it. From this page, you can send anything from plain text messages to images and Instagram posts. As well, you can call your friend from this page by clicking the phone icon, or video call by clicking the video camera icon. You can also react to individual messages by moving your mouse near the message and clicking on the face icon. Clicking on the face icon brings up a list of emoticons that we can use to react to messages. Since Logan's message was nice, we'll react with a heart. With the messaging section complete, I think it's time for you to get out there and start exploring Instagram on your own. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and for other tips on navigating the web, please check out the other videos on our channel.